Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve question number 5. In this question you have to factorize this polynomial because the highest power of this polynomial is 3. So the number of factors for this polynomial must be equal to 3. Means this polynomial must carry 3 factors. So to find out the factors, first of all we have to find the factor of this constant term. So that is 1 and 2. Factor of 2 is 1 and 2, and this could be positive or negative 1, or this could be positive or negative 2. So first of all, put x is equal to 1 in this polynomial, which can be considered as px. So replacing x by 1, so the answer should be 1 cube minus 2 into 1 square minus 1 plus 2. So this must be 1. This must be 2, this must be 1, and this must be 2. So positive 2, negative 2, positive 1, negative 1 cancel out. So the remainder is 0. So because when x is 1, the value of this comes out to be 0. So according to the factor theorem, x minus 1 equals to 0. So this should be the factor for this polynomial. So one factor is this much. So to find the remaining factor, what we have to do is divide this linear this by this linear polynomial. So this is x minus 1 when divided x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. So we have to think of a number multiplied with x should give x cube. So obviously x square when multiplied by x will give x cube, and x square when multiplied by 1 is actually minus x square. So we have to subtract. So changing the sign, this is cancelled out, plus minus is minus. So this is x square minus x square, and this should be, this can be copied here. So now again you have to think of a number multiplying with x will give x square. So obviously that should be minus x. So minus x is multiplied by x is actually x square, and x when multiplied by minus 1 is actually plus x. So again subtracting, this is plus, this is negative, negative negative is positive. So this is minus 2x, and this can be copied here, this is plus 2. Again you have to think of a number by which multiplying by x will give minus 2x. So this should be minus 2, because minus 2 when multiplied by x will give minus 2x, and similarly minus 2 when multiplied by 1 will give positive 1. Again you have to subtract, sign can be cancelled out, and the remainder is 0. So when this polynomial is divided by this linear polynomial, the result is this. Now again you have to factorize this polynomial. So for that we are using the middle term, splitting the middle term method. So this is x square minus x minus 2. So we have to think about a number whose sum is 1 and multiplication is 2. So obviously two numbers, for that you have to factorize again this. Factor of 2 is 1 and 2. So obviously 1 into 2 is multiplied will give 2, and 1 when these two subtracted will give 1. So x can be split into two terms, which is 2x minus x, and this is 2. We have splitted the x into two parts whose multiplication is equal to 2 and whose sum is, when you subtract these, will give minus x. Now solving this, or you can say you have to open the bracket. So this is minus 2x plus x minus 2. Take x common, so this will be x minus 2, and take 1 common, this will be x minus 2. Now take x minus 2 common. So when x minus 2 is taken out from this, only x will remain, and from here only 1 is written. So the first factor is this, and the remaining are this, and again we have split these two in 2 factors. So the 3 factors for this polynomial must be equal to these 3, means these 3 are the factor for this polynomial. Thank you.